Hello, my friends! It's your friend Anna coming to you with my beautiful friend Susanna from New York. This is Charlie. Charlie says hello. What are we doing today? We are going to talk about money, but more importantly, we're going to talk about 10 ways rich people avoid paying taxes. So as you know, it's tax season now. This year, taxes are due on April 18th. Unless you file an extension, then you can go all the way to October 15th. But otherwise, even when you're filing an extension, you still have to pay your estimated tax payments. So how do wealthy people who can hire professionals like me, I'm a financial consultant, I'm a financial planner, and other professionals such as your attorneys and accountants and so on, how do they reduce their taxes legally? There are many ways to do that. So we're going to talk about that, my friend. And FYI, Susanna here is my student. She's learning. So if I ask her questions and she doesn't answer, don't worry. Okay, she's one of the students. And we're just going to just talk about some interesting stuff. Okay, so hopefully we can make this topic of taxation and money a little bit more fun. All right?
Okay.
I know, yeah, some people don't like it.
I don't like talking about taxes.
Okay. All right, so let's start with point number 1 that I wrote for you guys is, first thing is so avoiding taxes and avoid paying taxes. So one way to sort of reduce your taxes is starting a business, by starting a business. So in our I'm in the United States, so we're talking about the United States taxes, obviously, because we have friends and people that listen to our programs from around the world. So this is talking about United States, guys. But it probably is similar in other countries as well, especially Western European countries or even Eastern European countries. But at least in the US, when you have a business, that's a source of huge tax items that you can deduct from your taxation. So basically, the way the business operates is anything and everything that you spend toward running the business is considered an expense, and that's deductible.
So everything business related, you can.
So you're running a, let's just say, any business that you like. Tell me a business that you like.
Okay, let's think of like a consulting business, maybe.
Okay, consulting business or running a restaurant, it doesn't really matter. Let's just say running a restaurant. Okay.
Let's pick
So you have a rent for the building.
right.
Then you have waiters and waitresses.
Wages.
Wages. And then you have food. Then you have, let's say, advertising costs and PR,
Insurance.
maintenance. All those things are reduction of costs, repairs. So even for those people who, let's say, are working for a large corporation, and again, not everybody has to run a restaurant, but like you said, you can have a side job, like a consulting business, and you can reduce your income taxes just by having those expenses being deductible for you. So, running a business is a really good way to legally reduce. Charlie's not happy about that. Yes, Charlie, you don't agree with me? Do you want to say something else? Tell me, what is it? What is it?
He says he doesn't want to pay taxes.
Oh, okay. No one wants to pay taxes, but we have to. Move somewhere with little or no tax. Okay, so that's another one. It's very interesting to rich people who avoid taxes. Okay, so if you live in the US, there are some states such as Florida or Nevada or some other states that do not have state income taxes.
New Hampshire is another one.
Yeah, there are some other ones as well. So there are some states that have lower income taxes, like state income taxes, and there are other states who have no state